I heard you're still struggling with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. When you can now monetize your content without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At this point, I want to say congratulations to every small creator. If you're not yet monetized on YouTube, congratulations to you, because right now you can start monetizing your content. If you've been posting every day on YouTube and you've not still gotten the requirement for monetization, 1K sub, 4,000 watch hours, move closer, because this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to a secret website that a lot of small creators have been earning from without 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Like from the first day you open your account on that platform, you are going to start earning. No requirements, guys. And the best part, the platform is completely free to join. And the craziest part, guys, you see all of those videos you have on your channel, all of those videos you have on your YouTube channel, YouTube algorithm have refused to smile on your channel. You can literally just download those videos and upload them on this website that doesn't even require any strict requirement from you, and you start earning from those videos. YouTube is hard, guys. YouTube is hard. When you post videos on YouTube, you start waiting for the algorithm to study your channel, stay on a clear niche, different strategies, and it is still hard. But this platform is not as strict as YouTube, and a lot of creators are jumping on it. I have personally jumped on this platform as well, and all the videos I've posted on this channel, I'm picking them one after the other. I don't need to start creating videos from scratch. I don't need to start thinking of new ideas, new videos, new titles. All I need to do is to just copy a video on my channel, post it there, same title, same thumbnail. Guys, what are you waiting for? In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to this website and walk you step by step on how you can create a free account. Yes, totally free, guys. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create a free account and start earning from your first video, guys. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Debbie, and on this channel, I teach you YouTube growth tips, content creation, AI tools, monetization strategies, and everything you need to succeed online. If this sounds interesting to you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload amazing videos like this, you're going to get notified. And guys, good news. I posted one day ago on my community tab that I'm going to be giving shout out on this channel to every consistent member of this channel. People that have been following me, liking my video, commenting, sharing. I'm going to be picking 2 people each every week. I will give you a shout out. I will review your channel. I will give you strategies that have been helping me to grow my channel. So if you want to benefit from this, you know what to do. Without much being said, I'm going to head over to my screen right now and walk you through step by step. This website that can pay you without 1K subscriber and 4,000 watch hours is called Rumble. Rumble is a free social media platform like YouTube that allows creators to upload videos and earn from them without requiring anything. Just think of it like YouTube, where you come to upload content, and once you hit 1K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you're going to earn. But in this platform, there's nothing like there's nothing like monetization requirements. All they require from you is to just post your video. Post a good video. Just post your video and you're going to start earning. And a lot of creators are jumping into this because of the stress-free nature of the platform. Now, this is not me saying you should stop posting on YouTube, because so far, YouTube is the biggest platform so far. There's nothing wrong with you having multiple sources of income. I'm posting consistently on YouTube, and I will still take Rumble serious. So keep on growing your channel, keep on trying to get your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, but then also focus on this platform, because you'll start earning immediately. Why still waiting for YouTube monetization? If you already have videos on any social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, go and download them and run straight to Rumble right now. Start uploading them. Start packing your own money, guys. Now, let me not talk too much. I'm going to head over to my screen right now and walk you through step by step how you can create a free account on Rumble. Let's just head over to my screen, guys. Now, the first step to creating a new account on Rumble is to open your browser, go to Google or any browser you're using. Okay, just go to Google and search for Rumble. Okay, just click on it. So guys, the Rumble website actually has an app, and then it has its website, just like YouTube has your YouTube studio, and then it has the website. It has the desktop version, okay? So this one also has a website. So we are going to be going through the website, okay? So take note of the logo. This is the Rumble logo, okay? Just click on it. So once the website opens, you're just going to click on sign up, enter your email, create a password, choose your username, complete the registration process. Okay, so this is what the website looks like, guys. So colorful, so beautiful, so inviting. Okay, just follow me step by step. I'm going to walk you through how you can set up a free account for yourself and start uploading your video. You can see people are uploading videos. You can see Canada to ban social media services for kids. Wow. Okay, so it has home feeds just like YouTube. Just like on YouTube, when you open your phone, you'll be seeing you'll be seeing the home feeds. You can see this particular video has gotten 5,000 views. This one has gotten 593 views. President Trump signs a blah blah blah. Okay, these are videos that people have posted, and on this platform you also make use of thumbnail. Okay, so that thumbnail you've posted on your YouTube video, come and post it here. Just ensure you craft it very well, because thumbnail also plays a role, like, right? So now that we are on this website, if you look above here, you're going to see this icon. Tap on it. This is actually my own account. Okay, so I'm just going to log out of this my account. I'm going to sign out. So I'm signing out so that you're going to see what your interface is going to look like. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to see sign up. So just click on sign up. Okay, now once you click on sign up, this is what the interface is going to look like. You're going to see already have a Rumble account. If you already have a Rumble account, after creating your account, you always sign in. Okay, now you want to sign up. All you need to do is to enter your account details. It says enter your account details to get started. Enter your email, your date of birth, blah blah blah. Just sign up. That's the process. Now I'm just going to sign into my own account. Okay. You can sign in with Facebook, with Google, or with Apple. Okay. Now, after logging in, the next thing you want to do is to set up your profile properly. Upload a professional picture. Okay. So this is my own account. I've basically logged in back into my own account. After showing you what your own is going to look like, just click on these 3 horizontal lines here. Okay. It's going to bring you to this interface right here. You're going to see my feed, short, for you, browse, editor picks, trending, shop. You can also, in case you want to create content from scratch, you can click on trending just to search for what is trending. Okay, these are the things that are actually trending. You can actually get views when you use hashtags that are trending, or when you use keywords that are trending. These are keywords that are trending. Okay, now to set up your account, just click on this icon here. Okay, click on the icon. It's going to bring you to this interface. You're going to see connect your locals accounts. Okay, you're going to see account setting. Just click on account setting. So once you click on account setting, it's going to bring you to this interface where you're supposed to fill your name, your full name, your phone number, your date of birth, your gender, your street address, okay, your city, your state or province, your postal code, okay, and then the means of payment here is actually PayPal. So you can see the only means of payment here is PayPal. How do you get a PayPal account? If you want me to make a video on how you can actually get a PayPal account, drop at the comment section. And if you have somebody in diaspora, okay, you have somebody in US, in UK, you can actually, if you have someone in US, in UK, you can actually reach out to them, tell them to help you open a PayPal account, and they're going to send you the details. Okay, once you get it, just input it here. Okay, and then after that, just save your changes. Just save. Okay, by so doing, you have set up your account. Okay, let's go back to that profile settings. Let's go back to this icon here. So if you come back to this icon here, you're going to see dashboard. Okay, click on dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, it's going to bring you to this interface. This is my own dashboard. I just created my account and I've not uploaded any video. And you can see from this alone, all-time earnings. From this alone, that is to tell you that your monetization is activated. All you need to do is to just post. All I need to do is to just post, guys. You're also going to be seeing your total subscribers, all-time views, total followers. Okay, if you come down here, you're going to see payment transactions. Everything is real, guys. Now click on Rumble Studio. Okay, for this Rumble Studio, this is actually where you're going to be uploading your video and everything. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and then download the Rumble Studio. At this point, I'll employ you to subscribe to this channel because I'm also going to be walking you through step by step how to upload your videos. I'm going to be making more videos about Rumble. Okay, I will guide you through the process. Just ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you always get updated when I post videos like that. So go ahead and download the Rumble Studio. That is where you're going to be uploading your video. Okay, so I have Rumble Studio right here on my phone. Okay, now it says welcome. Once you download the Rumble Studio, this is what it's going to look like. Welcome to Rumble Studio. Everything you need is at your fingertips. No additional software or tools needed. Let's get you set up and start streaming right away. Okay, now once you come here, they're going to tell you to verify to verify your account. Rumble account verification is needed to proceed. Please refresh this page once you're verified. Once you're able to verify your account, you can start posting. If this video does so well, I'm going to make another video on how to verify your account because that is actually a complex process. Because that is actually a process you need for you to start uploading your videos immediately. Okay, I'm going to stop here. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.